Hello and welcome to IT Asset Management Foundation Certification Training from One World Training. IT Asset Management has been published by ITAMORG, who owns the IT Asset Management guidance. The education partner is Vanharan Learning Solutions or Vanharan Learning Solutions. We have license from them to deliver this course. Firstly, about One World Training. We would like to welcome you to this course, first of all, and thank you for enrolling for this course. We are a global training company having our offices in the USA, UK, the Netherlands, India, Malaysia, UAE, South Africa, and many other countries. We provide training in IT, business management, project management, program management, ISO standards, GDPR, etc. We deliver courses in many ways: public classroom, online, e-learning, blended, mixing e-learning and virtual, or at the user's location, particularly for private and government organizations. We are an authorized training center and endorsed by leading global professional bodies. So we can see some of the logos at the bottom of this slide. About myself, my name is Muralidhar Gadam, or Murali in short. I'm a certified trainer in many other areas such as ITIL, PMP, Project Management Professional, Prince2, Project in Controlled Environments, Prince2 Agile, MSP, Managing Successful Programs, EXIN, Verism, Value-Driven, Evolving, Responsive and Integrated Service Management for the Digital Age, EXIN, Agile Scrum Master, and PeopleCert Scrum Master. I have worked for more than 25 years in IT, meaning software development, IT support, IT infrastructure management services, project management, program management, with teams in many countries such as USA, Western Europe, Canada, India, Southeast Asia, and Australia. My work experience helps me to deliver trainings in an effective way and also allows me to learn from my delegates who attend these courses. I have worked in different industries while I have worked in the IT sector. And I'm a computer engineer by education, a bachelor there, and a certified trainer and coach. At the bottom, you see some of the badges I'm maintaining for my different certifications, meaning I'm still active in these areas and qualified to deliver. Let's look at what you will gain through this course. You will be able to understand the basic ITAM disciplines, concepts, definitions, issues and challenges, how they can benefit your organization from various perspectives, such as a financial perspective, IT service perspective, or end user perspective. There are 4 key areas in ITAM, and there are connections between them. You'll also understand the workflow and key roles when you're managing your IT assets. You will also be able to relate this framework to your own organization's key business drivers. Meaning, IT asset management, or ITAM, forms an important element in a business strategy. It enables cost control, risk reduction, improved business value in the IT asset lifecycle. It is for all the hardware and software aspects used in an organization. In a classroom setting, this is a 2-day foundation course. It provides an introduction to IT asset management. Anyone new to ITAM can attend this course. It can include IT administrators who have operational focus, or even the CFO with budgetary responsibility. All delegates will be able to understand the concept and purpose of ITAM and how this can benefit your organization. You will also achieve an understanding of the licensing complexities related to IT operations in terms of software and hardware updates and acquisitions. The main focus of this foundation training is to introduce you to the ITAM lifecycle and workflows and define the key roles within the ITAM disciplines across various areas such as financial, contractual, inventory departments, and also highlighting what kind of changes are necessary, such as cultural changes, which will benefit end users and the business in an IT environment. In fact, this course is based on IT service management best practices, ISO standards, particularly 19770, IT asset management standard from ISO. And that will introduce you to the ITAM framework in terms of IT governance and how IT assets can be optimized from the procurement stage until the disposal stage. We'll see later that this program covers 4 key item areas and their interactions. The interactions could be in the areas of contract management, compliance, information security, cost control, and IT business value. And these 4 areas are hardware asset management, which also includes mobile or devices, software asset management, services and cloud asset management, and people and information asset management, in which BYOD or bring your own device is also covered. In fact, the ITAM is an exciting area to be in, particularly in this digital era, because of the enormous growth and complexity of digital assets. As I was mentioning, we have these 4 areas in IT asset management. We are at the foundation level right now. Once you have done the foundation, you are eligible to write the hardware asset management certification or the software asset management certification exam. In the future, there would be other certifications coming up, such as the cloud and services asset management certification and the PINAM, people and information asset management. However, in the foundation course, you will be understanding what these are as well. About the exam, the objective of the foundation exam is to achieve the foundation certification. The exam has multiple choice questions, 40 of them, 40. It's an online exam, 40 minutes, closed book. You need minimum 65% to pass it. Supervised online exam. There are 2 types of questions, Bloom's level 1 and Bloom's level 2. These are basically recall questions, meaning memory recall, and understanding questions. Once you've done the foundation, you're eligible to take the practitioner exams, which have the software asset management or the SAM exam and the hardware asset management HAM exam. In future, there's a likelihood of the other exams, such as the service and cloud asset management, the SAM, and the PINAM, people and information management asset management exam. The exam covers different topics, such as introduction to IT asset management, hardware asset management, software asset management, services and cloud asset management, people and information asset management, and IT asset management interfaces. While there are separate certifications for number 2 and number 3, and in future for number 4 and number 5, in the foundation course, we will be restricting ourselves to less detail in 2, 3, 4, and 5, but sufficient detail though. The marks are split as shown on the rightmost column. You will see that the marks are kind of equally split. However, for the introduction and the last section interfaces, less marks are allocated. You will be able to find more information about IT asset management at the following sites. For example, you could go to the itemstandards.org for the ISO 19770 standard for IT asset management to get more information there. Though you may not be able to access the entire ISO guidance, but you can see an overview of that there, because the ISO guidance are available only at a fee or for a fee. At the Axelos site, where we have various guidances such as projects management, program management, and ITIL 4 as well, you can access the ITAM specific practice guide. It is available only to members, meaning you have to subscribe to Axelos for their annual membership, which is reasonably priced. And you will be able to download the ITAM practice guide, which is about 50 pages, along with any other practice guides you would like to, for example, service financial management or service portfolio management or incident management, etc., under that membership. You can also subscribe to the ITAM News and Views channel at this site, itamchannel.com. In fact, you can even go to the ITAMORG site, which is the main ITAMORG site. You can become a member there. And even through that site, you can subscribe to the ITAM channel as well. And this brings us to the end of the ITAM Foundation course overview. If you have any questions, please email us at info@oneworldtraining.com. Thank you.